Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm just going to do a plan with me for the week of the 14th to the 20th of February, and as you know, this week is Valentine's Day, Monday the 14th, so that definitely will be my theme. I'm going to use this American Craft sticker book. And I'm also going to use the Happy Planner Glam Girl mini sticker book. And I've decided to use a couple of things from this OLLE or OLL. We'll get started. Hope you had a lovely weekend. Mine was good. I went to church with a bestie on Sunday and it was lovely. I'm just wondering whether I should put some washi tape along here. Actually, I will use some washi tape. This little pouch holds some of my favourite washies. And I think I'll do a little floral. Yeah, I think that would look nice. Yeah, so as I was saying, church was nice and I got to spend some time with my bestie. So that was nice. Anyway, let's start. I think I want to put some washi. Let's have a look, see if it's upside down. I think I want to put some here. I think I'll start with here first. And I'm going to put it on the end. And that is it, all done, all finished. So I'm going to start planning now. I've got my notes jotted down and I'm quite happy with that. It's lovely and girly and pretty. There you go. Happy planning and happy Valentine's Day as well. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye bye.